Hi Gandahin! Welcome back to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload new videos. And if you like this video, you find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, so for today's video, I am going to help you prepare for that Zoom meeting, video call, whatever it may be. This is the video for you, and I have two lip options actually. This is the look that I came up with. It's actually simple because I like it that way, effortless, but at the same time you actually did prepare. I don't know, I like this look, and nasa ibang setup tayo because doon sa filming room ko sobrang init and maingay, but yun, I hope you enjoy, and without further ado, keep on watching. Alright, so I don't have any makeup on, but before we put on makeup, these are the tips to better prepare you for that video meeting or Zoom meeting, whatever it may be. Alright, so tip number 1, always prepare. Personally, I prepare at least a week or 2 before the actual presentation. Kahit nga, okay, fine, a day before your actual presentation para maaral mo yung i-present mo, and you can take note of possible questions that can be raised during the meeting, right? Para pagdating doon sa presentation, alam mo na yung mga pwedeng itanong at isasagot mo. And at the same time, kasi there's that comfort na if you prepare, you'd feel more or less anxious, less stressed about the meeting kasi pinaghandaan mo talaga to, right? Really, whatever preparation you need, do it kasi trust me, it will help you. Tip number 2. This may sound funny, but trust me, it would make a world of a difference. Maligo ka. Like, you'd feel 100 times lighter and die. Sa panahon ngayon, oh my God, ang init. Nakakainit ng ulo, nakaka-stress, nakakadagdag sa pressure. Like, do yourself a favor, take a bath, and trust me, you'd feel great. Tip number 3, wear your most comfortable outfit. Well, hindi naman yung sira-sarang t-shirt, pajama. What I mean by your most comfortable is your most comfortable outfit, at the same time you'd feel confident wearing it. And if you don't want to wear makeup, you're not comfortable wearing makeup, girl, ditch it. Like, don't wear, you do you. Do whatever makes you comfortable, right? And do whatever makes you confident. But if you're someone who really wants to prepare for that presentation, for that video call, I got you. You're gonna prepare with me. Well, kunwari may meeting ako, and this is how I would prepare. Alright, so let's start with the face. We're gonna prime it, and I'm going to use a hydrating mist. This is actually from VLK, and this is their Watermelon Mist. It's fine, but I would say it's not as fine as your atomizer, an atomizer like this. But it's okay, but for the price, feeling ko ang liit niya. I don't know. I'll give you an update pag nagamit ko na siya ng mas matagal. Hindi ko rin alam kung magbe-breakout ako dito, but we're gonna use it right now. I think pangatlong araw ko pa lang to gamitin. Yan yung spray niya. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. So after the mist, feels good actually. Alright, so for the base, I highly suggest you use tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen for this. But if you're comfortable or you're confident wearing foundation, that's fine. But for this, since I want this look to be lightweight and more natural, ito yung mga picks ko. So I have options for you. I do have the Presiderm. I got this from VLLO. So since Derma suggested or Derma recommended siya, I assume ang dami niyang skincare benefits. So it has SPF 50 and it has UVA protection and tinted na rin siya. And then if you have this is actually more full coverage. Kung ayaw mo mag-foundation but you still want that coverage, ito yon. This is the It Cosmetics CC Oil-Free Matte Pore Minimizing and Full Coverage Cream. So, anti-aging na rin siya and hydrating serum at the same time. And, this is also locally available. This is from VLLO. Ayan siya. This is the Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. But for today, I'm going to use this Misha Perfect BB Cream. SPF 40 PA++. And I am in the shade number 27, Honey Beige. And then, kung okay na sa inyo yung coverage, you can skip concealer. But for my concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind. Ang shade ko dito ay Sand. And then, isi-set natin siya with Wet n Wild pressed powder. Kasi this is very lightweight and very skin-like. So, hindi siya mukhang powdery. And I am in the shade Warm Light. As you can see, I really love this and nag-hit pa na. Yun. Actually, I don't want to set the entire face, just the under eye, because I want it to be skin-like. So, yun. For the blush, I always go for pink blushes because, I don't know, it has that brightening effect. I'm going to use this cream blush from YSL. This is the Baby Doll Kiss Blush. So, apply lang natin. And I would put it banda sa eye area dito. Because I think it looks more natural that way. I love this kasi hindi siya nagsiset agad. Gamitan lang natin siya. Okay, and then another blush, ipapatong natin to para mas long-lasting. This is the Marc Jacobs in the shade Kink and Kisses. This is their Air Blush. Ayan. Next is bronzer. Because I like bronzer. Because I want to put dimension sa face ko para hindi siya flat. I want to use this. This is the sample size ng Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I really like this actually. Bronzer, I wanna put contour pa. Feel free to skip it if you'd like to, but this is how I would prepare. So I'm gonna use, this is actually a brow product or brow powder, but I'm using some of the colors as contour. So yeah, I'm gonna use the same brush for this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so base, blush, bronzer, face, and nose contour, check. Again, kung sa tingin nyo okay na kayo dito, you can skip it. But for me, I need more. Because more is more. Sa akin, char. Joke. Less is more, definitely. But, namiss ko mag-makeup. And I want to be presentable. We're gonna put highlighter, and the highlighter of choice is this. This is the Ofra Naked Tutorial collaboration with Ofra, and we're gonna use this color right here. Konti nito. Poop!
Legal. Sipping yellow Lamborghini, yellow.
Inuna ko yung face ko because that's how I do it. And it's easier for me to put highlighter under the brows when there's no eyebrow products yet. So, yun, kanya-kanya tayo. Walang rules sa makeup. And hindi naman tayo masyadong magiging heavy sa eyes. So, inuna ko natin yung face natin. So, yun. I'm gonna set everything with this one. This is from a Derma. Yun. This is finer and it's just Evian water. Well, yung Logic kasi yung Evian spray. Kaya I thought, bilhin ako ng Evian water and since meron naman ako nito, lagay ko na lang. Yun. This way, mas magme-melt sa skin mo yung highlighter and yung blush magmumukhang mas natural. Okay, for the eyes, unahin natin yung brows. Napakasimple lang ng brows ko because all I do is put mascara. That's it. Ang mascara of choice natin is the Old Heroin Make. You don't wanna put yung bagong bukas na mascara because trust me, magkakalat ka and medyo basa pa yung formula nun. Since ito dry out na, yung mga excess product na lang yung makuha. So, okay, I changed my mind. This is too dry for me. So, mayroon pa akong old mascara dito. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. So, tuyo na siya. Pero may excess product pa rin na magagamit ko sa brows. Alright, for the eyeshadow, you can use the same bronzer. But for me, since meron naman ako mga palette, pwede na rin naman to. So, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Gingerbread. I'm gonna use gingerbread and then konting figgy pudding sa outer corner ko. So, let's start. Alright, so that's that for the eyes. As you can see, very simple, but at the same time, alam mo meron, but hindi mo mawari kung ano. Alright, so, mas kinalose up ko kayo. Kung okay na kayo dyan, fine, but for me, I'm gonna put, magka-tight line ako, but instead of using a liquid eyeliner or a pencil eyeliner, I'm gonna use a powder eyeliner. Simply because it's a lot softer and if you feel like if it's too much, you can easily blend it out. So again, grab any black eyeliner or black powder. Ayan, so diba, it makes difference. Mas livelier yung eyes mo. We're almost done, I swear. We're gonna curl our lashes and wear mascara. Now the last step is lips. If you want to wear tint, I think I would go for that. I'm a very tint girl, kahit ang daming ng lipstick, I would still wear tint. But for today, I'm gonna give you options. Ito, all from Every Belena. So, i-try natin itong red. Ito yung lipstick na ikaw yung representan. Ikaw yung girl boss. Ikaw yung boss. Ikaw yung makikinig. Char. Ganon. But, again, kahit hindi ikaw yung boss, if you are comfortable wearing this kind of shades, girl, saludo ko sa'yo. This is in the shade Moody Merlot. So, that's your red option. But, if you don't feel that bold and gusto mo lang simpli-simplihan, ito. This is in the shade Skinny Dip from Limited Liquid Lipstick, Every Belena. Okay, that's too pink for me, but a trick, because I want it a little bit peachier, gagamit ako nitong shade na to. Ilalagay ko siya sa aking brow. Ayan siya. Tapos, since hindi pa ako kontento sa ganyan, lagyan natin ng konti nito para sa gradient effect.